watching GearZ, brought to you by Holly Performance Products. Fuel your passion. And Cornwell Tools, the choice of professionals.
You know, if there's one thing that most people realize about gearheads is that we like all kinds of mechanical stuff. There's just something about those gears and those levers and those things that move. It's intriguing to us, whether it's a wristwatch or a computer or an old tractor or a Corvette, it doesn't matter. We like it all. And so when we had a chance to walk through a place that was packed with all kinds of mechanical achievements from all kinds of eras, well, we couldn't pass it up. And we figured you'd want to come along with us. So, let's take a walk.
The Days Gone By Museum is the brainchild of Joey and Kathleen Collins, and it's located in Portland, Tennessee, about 30 miles north of Nashville. The first thing that hits you when you enter the grounds is the vast variety of what they have here. From classic aircraft to vintage big rigs and trucks, you can spend hours outside just looking around. But that's nothing like what you're going to find inside the building. If your thing is vintage toys from different eras, this is the room for you. But don't bother trying to buy any of these toys for your shop or your man cave. No, Joey's been gathering this stuff for years, and he's not really interested in selling it.
Do you have people try to buy this stuff?
All the time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And so what's the answer to that?
Well, everybody knows me and I don't get rid of much, but
you like to trade, don't you?
We trade a lot. I was fixing to say, you know, if I can trade and maybe step up, I might trade one.
Yeah.
But as far as selling, I don't sell a whole lot.
No reason to, man. This is so cool.
A feller put this thing together, and he used to take it around to the county fairs, and he would set it up, and I think they said he charged a nickel to watch it. And what it does, it kind of replicates an old sawmill.
Oh, man. Now, at this point, you might be thinking, well, you know, this is really great, but I've seen bigger toy collections than this. And you might have. But when you step through that door, you're not going to be thinking like that because your mind is going to be blown by the magnitude of what's on the other side.